Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Condolences pour in for Dalton Brownie as news broke of his death on Sunday. Freddie McGregor, for who Dalton worked as his musical director, took to his Instagram page and posted that he was still in shock and heartbroken, adding that, quote, "How could this be? My dearest friend who is like my blood brother, my genius musician for years." End quote. Bunny Ruggs, in his post, mentioned that Dalton had inspired so many musicians and artists. Minister Grange, in a release, added that, quote, "Having gone through the surgery, we were all hoping and praying that he would have made a full recovery. His passing is a major loss to the music industry." End quote. Lead singer of U.S. California band Harrison Stafford spoke of his work with Dalton on stage and this feature he produced on Dalton back in 2013.
I can say that it was really a joy to be in his presence, and I have known him for many years. We recorded in studio together, we toured together, and Dalton Brownie just had a wonderful spirit. My condolences to his family, and it's really a huge loss for the reggae community.
The music producer Dalton Brownie was in the news since his heart attack, in which a blood drive was initiated to assist him in having a quadruple bypass surgery. He was in recovery when he passed. Niece of Dalton, Sedaine Brownie, spoke to E Prime on his passing.
We were all hoping for his recovery, but his heart was too weak and he did not make it. He passed away yesterday, Sunday, November 1, in the afternoon. We want to thank everyone for the outpouring of love and prayers and support. We want to thank everyone who managed to give blood on his behalf. And we are asking that the public respects our family's privacy during this time.
Dalton and his brothers Clevie, Glenn and Danny were a part of the Brownie Bunch and are considered great contributors to reggae music. E Prime extends our condolences to the family of Dalton Brownie. Now, Fame Frequency Costume Party ignited partygoers on Saturday. The VIP Zoom area was a real testament to the love of the event by patrons, as fans poured in fashionably dressed for the occasion. Onset was no different, as host Debbie Bissoon and the DJs were fully dressed in their costume and of course in character. Fame Frequency is gearing up for a fantastic November and plans to add value to corporate Jamaica this Christmas season.
November is about to start, and November is not going to be normal because November's first party is the 7th of November, and that's Saturday Night Fever. Now just imagine, a DJ Colin, DJ Denver, Donovan, Deli, and Jenny hosting it. A Saturday Night Fever party where they're looking at some nice retro disco music, and they're going to make sure everybody can enjoy themselves. We also have, for the month coming up, a month of November, a new sponsor on board for the entire month, and that's Grace Tropical Rhythms, and we have to say a big thank you to them for coming on board. You can look forward to prizes and surprises from them as well, and we also will be getting a nice guest artist close to the end of the month.
Virtual party it is. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.